Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. Market opens up in 5 minutes. I'm going to try a live trade video here. Actually already have on a little position, just 100 shares. I like to do this once in a while just to kind of test the market, see how things are moving, kind of see what the algorithms and such are up to. So I have an order in here, like I said, only 100 shares. So it's a very small portion of what I'm willing to play on this anyways. But like I said, just testing the market out here. I'm not going to make a lot of money if it goes down there and fills me. I might even just hop out sooner, just to get out. But like I said, just testing out. And in fact, as I'm talking, that's probably not a bad idea. So I'm just going to hop out there. So got also, like I said, $9, but the point of this wasn't really to make any money, more so just testing out the market and seeing, just what kind of movement is happening. So $9 up on the day. And now there I would have been filled in hindsight, but the market opens up in 4 minutes, so I will be back when the market opens, and my plan is to focus on GoPro at the beginning. Earnings was yesterday for many stocks: Apple, GoPro, Microsoft. I don't know if Facebook had earnings yesterday or not, to be honest, but that's got a lot of pre-market action. Lock had disastrous news yesterday about FTC stuff and all sorts of drama, so that stock should be active. So for being July right now, I'm pretty pleased with all the potential opportunities that I'm expecting today. So we will see what happens. I'll be back after the market opens. All right, GoPro market is now open. Looking to have my first position entry at 63.35, then also 63.50. So let's see if it can push up there or not. Kind of slowing down here a little bit, so looks like I might have been a little bit too conservative, too aggressive, however you want to kind of look at that with those entry points, and now it's pulling back. So yep, we'll see what happens. I will pause the video. I'll keep you updated. All right, I canceled my 63.35 order. I'd rather just start the position building at 63.50 if it can get up there, but we shall see. But quick little update there. Now I am willing to buy this pullback here, so I have my first order in at 62.51. Actually, let's see, what's the low of that? So I'm going to go 62.35 actually. There we go. So let's see if I can get filled down there. So I am in. And looking like I'm getting more of a pullback, which is fine by me. So picking some more up down there. This is what I was hoping for. So my average is 60 to 22. So let's see if I can scale out here some on the bounce. Need to get back up in the 30s. There, I got all those. Have 200 left. And I'll just get out of there. So what was that? About $89, I think, if my math is right. Was hoping it'd pull back some more so I could pick up more shares. You saw me put in more orders to buy. I just didn't get filled. So that would have been much better. But it's looking like I can restart the process here, which is fantastic. So I'm actually going to start it lower down at 51. So again, just an entry order position down there at 51. So let's see if it can fall down there. I like how it's getting overextended here to the downside. So I'm in now at 51. And just like before, I'm willing to buy some more. I have some more to, or pick up some more down at 61. So I got my order spread around down there. So we'll see what happens with it. I'd like to see a break of 61 so I could get, I mean, look how overextended this move is getting here. So I got those. Okay, so looking good here. So as you can see, just very, very overextended. So if I can get a break up through 61, that'd be beautiful. But I wouldn't mind picking up some more shares. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I got those out. So all out, whoops. Now I'm short 100 shares at 21. So that was a mistake. We'll see what happens here on this bounce. What happened is I actually accidentally covered more shares than what I needed to, so I ended up with 100 short here. Let's see what happens here. Like I said, only 100, so, and now I'm, I'd be thinking I want to play this. So I'll go to short some more at 62.15, which I'd be wanting to do anyways, because now I'm thinking, some sort of dead cat bounce. So I got those. Now 61.83 is my average, but still willing to get some more. So let's see what happens here. So a big old move back to the upside. I'll do some more up there. Look at this move. So 62.25 now. So I'm really liking the position I'm in at this point. And still don't even have 1,000 shares yet. So I mean, that's why you just start small and ease into these things. So I have some orders into cover at 20 and then 17. So I got those out at 20 and 17. Now I'll just finish it off right there. So there we go, $469. Market's been open 9 minutes. Like I said, mistake, but mistake was only 100 shares. But then you started to see this big old overextended move. So got to be thinking, like I explained, dead cat. Okay, now it's getting overextended. So was able to then turn around and short it. So saw me go long, then saw me go short. But the key here is starting small. And I'm not saying if you're brand new you should be doing any of this, but risk management via position size. That's the first step in the risk management process here is position size. If you go and buy, if you dump your whole portfolio at one location, well then you better find a stop loss and set it hard. But when you know how many shares you're willing to buy, and then you know that it's a little bit more than a significant decent size, then you want to just ease into things, and you do that. You manage risk via position sizing right off the get-go. So like I said, the short side, yes, sure, I started with 100, But I mean, I don't say this to be arrogant. I just say it to set some context. 100 shares, that's nothing. It's just a very small portion of what I'd be willing to, build a position size to. So yeah, I didn't get the initial best entry, but that just really shows a great example, a real life example of why you should be starting off small if you want to build a position, because you can easily just recover from that, and it's really very manageable. So I'm done. I'm blabbing enough. Actually, I think I'm just gonna wrap this up. 10 minutes in, 469. You got to see all sorts of good action. So the one question I do get, and let me pause it real quick. Anyways, the one question I do get is, hey Clay, how are you finding these stocks to trade? What sort of tools are you using? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I do talk about the tools that I use to find stocks that I think have profitable potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then you can click right there and I will email it to you. It's just a very, very short, very straight to the point guide. It's not like you have to read through multiple pages or anything like that. And in fact, it's a single page. It goes over like I said, the tools that I use to find these setups. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, like I said, click right there. I will email it to you, and it's a good little low risk, high reward type deal. So thank you for watching. Get out there, trade without emotion.